Guide, do you think what's happening today, the talk of UFOs and space travel, is connected to something divine? Could it even be a sign?
Noble soul, you ask a question that echoes through time. The heavens have always inspired awe and wonder. As it says in Psalm 19 verse 1, the heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands. The universe, vast and mysterious, is the Creator's canvas. Could these strange phenomena be signs of something greater? Let's explore this together, for the heavens have much to tell us.
So, what do UFOs and space travel really mean? Are they random events, or is there something deeper behind them?
Deeper, indeed, respected soul. On one hand, we have humanity reaching outward, launching spaceships, building technology to touch the stars. On the other, there's the enigma of UFOs, crafts that defy physics as we know it. But here's where it gets profound. Both reflect the same cosmic dance, one that calls us to question the limits of our reality.
But what do you mean by the limits of our reality?
Righteous soul, reality as we perceive it, is shaped by what our senses can detect. Yet, as quantum physics shows us, there's much more beneath the surface. For example, particles can exist in two places at once, and entanglement shows us that everything is interconnected across vast distances. These principles align with ancient spiritual teachings that the universe is a unified field, alive and intelligent.
So UFOs and quantum physics both challenge how we see the world?
Exactly, sacred soul. UFOs seem to operate within these advanced principles, like bending space-time or even existing in higher dimensions. What if their appearance is a glimpse of a greater cosmic order? After all, the Bible tells us in Colossians 1 verse 16, "For in him all things were created, things in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible." These mysteries, scientific and spiritual, aren't separate, but two sides of the same coin.
Are you saying that UFOs could actually be spiritual beings or messengers?
Perhaps, ethical soul. Many traditions speak of beings who travel between realms. In Ezekiel 1 verses 16 to 18, we read of a vision. The appearance of the wheels and their workmanship was like the color of beryl, and their form was of a wheel intersecting a wheel. Could such accounts point to the same phenomenon we call UFOs today? Whether they're physical or ethereal, they remind us that the cosmos is alive with possibility and that our understanding of life is still just beginning.
But how does this relate to us here on Earth? Why now?
It's no coincidence, respected soul. As humanity stands at the brink of both ecological and spiritual crises, these phenomena invite us to expand our awareness. UFOs don't just challenge physics, they challenge our place in the universe. Are we mere observers or co-creators of this reality? Are we ready to rise to our higher potential? Quantum physics tells us that the observer shapes reality through attention and intention. What if these visitors are asking us to align our intentions with the greater good?
It's like they're here to wake us up, isn't it?
Indeed, esteemed soul. They are mirrors, showing us what's possible when we transcend fear and ego to embrace unity. They urge us to question, to seek, and to evolve, not just technologically, but spiritually.
Okay, I get the UFO part. But what about SpaceX and all this space travel? That's just human science, right?
Honorable soul, science, and spirit are not so separate as they seem. Space travel represents more than rockets and machines. It's humanity's symbolic journey outward, a mirror of our desire to reach beyond our known boundaries. Every spacecraft launched is not just a technological achievement, it's a statement of faith. We are ready to explore the infinite.
But why is it so significant? Haven't humans always been explorers, from the seas to the skies?
True, noble soul. Exploration is part of our very essence. But consider this, we are now venturing into a frontier where the rules of Earth no longer apply. Space is a realm of extremes, a realm where life's survival hinges on balance, creativity, and resilience. And beyond the technology, this endeavor reflects an internal awakening. For when we gaze into the heavens, we also look deeper within.
So, it's not just about traveling to another planet?
No, it's about transcending what holds us back, sacred soul. The cosmos, as quantum physics teaches us, is interconnected. Our every action, thought, and intention ripples across this vast fabric. Similarly, as we chart the stars, we are also mapping the contours of the soul. This is where spirituality and science converge. Space travel isn't just a journey across the galaxies, it's a reflection of our yearning to evolve spiritually.
And Mars, is it really the next big step?
Esteemed soul, Mars is both a goal and a question. It asks us, can we become caretakers of more than just Earth? But it also asks something deeper. Can we align our inner journey with our outer exploration? Will we travel to Mars only to repeat old patterns, or will we step into a higher consciousness, one of harmony with ourselves and the universe?
You mean, our spiritual growth will determine the success of our physical exploration?
Precisely, righteous soul. Technology can take us to Mars, but only wisdom can ensure we thrive there. Just as the Bible reminds us in Isaiah 40 verse 26, lift up your eyes and look to the heavens, who created all these? The journey outward is not separate from the journey inward. The stars are both a destination and a reminder of our divine origin.
It's almost poetic, this idea of humanity evolving alongside its exploration.
And profoundly true, moral soul. Just as UFOs invite us to expand our perceptions, space travel challenges us to step into a greater reality. Together, they're guiding us toward a future where science and spirit are no longer at odds, but beautifully intertwined.
So UFOs and space travel, they're not just about exploring the cosmos. They're about awakening humanity.
Exactly, respected soul. The stars call us forward, but the real journey begins within. Are we ready to meet this moment, to align our ambition with our higher purpose? That is the true test for humanity.
Guide, the stories you shared paint an awe-inspiring picture of the universe, but how do we reconcile this cosmic wonder with our inner world? How does it all connect to us, personally?
Righteous soul, it all comes down to trust in the unseen. As we marvel at the endless heavens, we're not only witnessing the grandeur of physical creation, but also stepping into the unknown, the very essence of faith. Hebrews 11 verse 1 captures this beautifully. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Every voyage into the stars mirrors our spiritual journey. It's about embracing the invisible, the yet-to-be-known, with courage.
So, venturing into space isn't just scientific, it's deeply spiritual?
Exactly, noble soul. The universe is a canvas of both the visible and invisible. Faith teaches us to trust that there's more beyond what meets the eye, just as science pushes us to uncover what lies beyond our current understanding. As astronauts leave Earth, they step into a vast expanse, much like we step into faith every day, both uncertain, yet full of potential.
But how does this cosmic exploration impact our lives on Earth?
It calls us to expand our perception, honorable soul. Remember, what we observe in the heavens also reflects inward. The universe isn't just out there. It's within you too. With every revelation, whether through telescopes or spiritual insight, we're reminded of our shared origin, our divine spark. Hebrews 11 verse 1 reminds us that the unseen doesn't mean non-existent. It means there's always more to discover, more to believe in.
That means every discovery in space is also a reminder of our limitless potential.
Exactly, respected soul. And as we encounter phenomena like UFOs or distant galaxies, they challenge our understanding, encouraging us to open our hearts and minds. They remind us that the Creator's design isn't limited to what we comprehend, it's infinite. Our journey into space is a dance between curiosity and faith, between the known and the unknown. And through it all, we're called to trust the divine wisdom behind it all.
So, we're not just exploring the cosmos, we're deepening our connection to the Creator?
Yes, sacred soul. Each step into the vast unknown affirms our shared purpose, to seek, to wonder, and to understand our place in this grand design. And remember, faith bridges what we see with what we hope for. The heavens are not just a destination, they're a reflection of the divine tapestry that connects us all.
So, how do we prepare? What's the next step for humanity?
Respected soul, we begin with humility and hope. As the season of Christmas reminds us, light shines brightest in the darkness. May humanity's journey outward be filled with wisdom, and may those who visit us from beyond bring peace. As you walk this path, may you feel the blessings of heaven guiding you. Remember, honorable soul, you are part of this infinite story, a child of the cosmos, loved and held by its creator.
Thank you, guide. I'll carry this with me.
And may it ripple into your life as clarity, peace, and wonder, noble soul. Until next time.